Good morning, students. Today I will start new chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Electric current. Okay. First of all, we discuss about simple electric circuit or circuit. Okay. So, what is simple electric circuit means simply a bulb, battery, and switch are connected with connecting wires. This is called simple electric circuit. Okay. So, in the circuit, what are the symbols for battery and switch? Okay. So, this is a battery symbol, plus and minus. Okay. And this is the symbol for switch. Okay. Or this is also the symbol for switch. Okay. Both are. Okay. So, now what is the simple electric circuit means? A bulb, and battery and switch are connected with copper wire. For example, here connected with copper wires. Okay, this is a simple electric circuit. Okay, now switch on the circuit. What happened? Now, okay, switch on the circuit. What do you observe? The bulb grows. The bulb grows. Okay, clear? Now, for example, remove the battery. Now remove the battery. Now again switch on the circuit. What do you observe? What do you observe? Now bulb doesn't grow. Okay, because what is the working of battery? The battery has chemical energy. When bulb is connected to circuit, then the chemical energy converted into electrical energy. Clear? So here without battery means the bulb doesn't grow. Okay. Now case number 3. For example, the connecting wires are used by copper. For example, the replacement of copper wires with nylon wires. Nylon wires. Okay. Now, okay, again connect the battery to the circuit. Now switch on the circuit with nylon wires. Okay. But what do you observe? The bulb doesn't grow. Okay, in copper wires, the current passing through copper wires, but the current doesn't passing through nylon wires. Nylon wires, because copper wires are conductors, but nylon wires are insulators. So, what are the conductors? The current passing through it. The materials which passing through current, those are called conductors. So, what are the examples for conductors? Simply all metals. All metals means iron, copper, zinc. Those are examples for conductors. Okay. So, now insulators. Insulators means simply. So, insulators means the current doesn't passing through it. Okay. The materials, the current doesn't passing through it means insulators. So, what are the examples for insulators? Wood and glass. Next topic is what is the electric current? So, the concept of electric current is explained by Rood and Orange. Okay. So, actually, conductors. So, conductors example, all metals are example for conductors. For example, copper, iron, zinc. Okay, so copper and iron, okay, those are positive ions. Positive ions means okay, they are called only cations. That means only they have positive charge. Okay, now so all metals contains free electrons, large number of free electrons. Okay, while the positive ions are fixed in their locations. Okay, fixed their locations. Clear? So now, for example, take one conductor. That means any wire, copper or iron wire. Okay, so now the direction of the electrons like this. This indicates, some arrow marks indicates the direction of the electrons. Okay, so this is a open circuit. Open circuit means without battery. Okay, without battery. So observe the conductor. Okay, so here first take one small cross section. So cross section means a small area. So first consider small cross section or area. Now find the number of electrons passing through left to right. The direction left to right means, for example, the number of electrons passing through this cross section. Okay, the direction is left to right. For example, electrons 20 electrons. For example, okay. In the same way, the number of electrons passing through right to left in this conductor or cross section. Okay, this cross section. For example, same number of electrons okay, without battery means open circuit. In open circuit, the number of electrons passing through left to right is equal to the number of electrons passing through right to left. So both are equal. So the net charge means the difference between the number of electrons from left to right and the number of electrons from right to left is equal to 0. So the net charge is 0 in open circuit. Clear? Okay, students, now the conductor is connected to battery and bulb. Okay, this wire or conductor, okay, is connected to battery and bulb. Then what happened? Okay, now the arrangement of electrons is in a same order. So the arrangement of electrons is in same order when battery and bulb is connected to conductor. Okay, so now find the net charge passing through one cross section. Okay, so the number of electrons passing through this cross section is called simply electric current. Clear, all of you? So what is the electric current? Now the net charge passing through this cross section is not equal to 0. Clear? So what is the current? So current is equal to simply the net charge passing through cross section in 1 second. In 1 second is called electric current. Clear, all of you? So net charge by time. This is called electric current. Clear, all of you? So what is the electric current? The net charge passing through this cross section, okay, in 1 second is called simply current. So current is generally represented by I. So what is the formula for current? I is equal to net charge. Here net charge is equal to, for example, Q and time T. Clear, all of you? This is called simply electric current. Clear, all of you? So I is equal to Q by T. Now what is the charge? So what is the charge? The charge is first introduced by coulombs. Who? Coulombs. So now, so 1 coulomb is equal to how many electrons? 6.24 into 10 power 18 electrons. So charge is denoted by coulombs. So 1 coulomb is equal to 6.24 into 10 power 18 electrons. Clear, all of you? Now, so what are the units for current? What are the SI unit for current is simply ampere. Clear, all of you? So what is the units for current? Ampere. So how to define 1 ampere? So actually current I is equal to Q by T. So here Q is equal to charge and time is equal to, for example, 1 second. Now take Q is equal to 1 coulomb and time is equal to 1 second. Then I is equal to simply 1 coulomb by second. So 1 coulomb by 1 second is called simply 1 ampere. So how to define 1 ampere? So the charge, the net charge passing through circuit or conductor is 1 coulomb in 1 second. Okay, 1 coulomb by 1 second is called simply 1 ampere. So ampere is unit for electric current. Clear? So the unit for charge is coulomb.